Hello friends, this is Atomic Molecular and Laser Physics Unit 2 for BSc 6 SAM MDU students. So now let's start without wasting our time. Question first is Zeeman effect is the splitting of spectral lines in the presence of A. Electric field, B. Inert environment, C. Vacuum, and D is magnetic field. So here D is the correct answer. Zeeman effect is the splitting of spectral lines in the presence of magnetic field. Okay. Next question is the number of splitting level in 2p orbit would be A 1, B 2, C 3 and D is 4. So as we know that to calculate the splitting level we used formula 12 plus 1. So for S L is equal to 0, for P L is equal to 1. So we just have to put L is equal to 1 and calculate this 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here answer C is the correct answer, that is 3. Okay. Now next question is Zeeman effect is used to study the which property of sun? A. Solar flakes, B. Sunspots, C. Magnetic field and D is electric field. So as you know that Zeeman effect is the splitting of spectral lines in the presence of magnetic field. So it is used to study magnetic field property. Answer C is the correct answer. Okay friends. Now next question is Zeeman energy is which energy of a magnetized core? A. Magnetic energy, B. Kinetic energy, C. Potential energy and D is total energy. So Zeeman energy is potential energy of a magnetized core. Answer C is the correct answer. Okay friends. Next question is question 5th. Another name of line spectrum is A. Atomic spectrum, B. Continuous spectrum, C. Hydrogen spectrum and D. Angular spectrum. So here answer A is the correct answer, that is another name of line spectrum is atomic spectrum. Okay. The name of the principal quantum number was given by, we use principal quantum number, so this name is given by which scientist? A. Planck, B. Rutherford, C. Schrodinger, D. Bohr. So it is given by Schrodinger, that is C is the correct answer. While solving the Schrodinger equation, in last we get the principal quantum number, so this is given by Schrodinger. Answer C is the correct answer. Okay friends. Now question 7th is Zeeman effect could not be proved by A. Quantum mechanics, B. Bohr's model, C. Hamilton operator, D. LS coupling. So Zeeman effect could not be proved by Bohr's model. All other models prove the Zeeman effect. Okay. Quantum mechanics also, Hamilton operator also, LS coupling also. Only Bohr's model could not prove the Zeeman effect. Now question 8 is which of the following is the correct expression for magnetic moment of electron? Root n plus 1, B. Root n into n plus 1, C. Root m plus 1, D. Root m into n plus 1. So here answer B is the correct answer, root of n into n plus 1. Okay, that is square root of n into n plus 1. At higher magnetic field, question 9th, at higher magnetic field the splitting of spectral lines distributed. Okay, it is saying distributed. While distributing, the effect is Stark effect, B. Inverse Zeeman effect, C. Paschen-Beck effect, D. Anna-Moeller-Zeeman effect. So here answer C is the correct answer. It is Paschen-Beck effect, as lines distributed in this case. Okay, so why line distributed, it is also a question arises. So here lines are distributed because external field in this case become greater than the internal field. Okay friends. Now next question is question 10. The splitting of spectral lines because of electric field or electric effect is known as, we have read already that splitting of spectral line because of magnetic field is Zeeman effect. Now splitting of spectral lines because of electric field is what? A. Zeeman effect, B. EM effect, C. Stark effect, and D, molecular effect. So here answer C is the correct answer. Splitting of magnetic spectral lines because of electric field is Stark effect. Okay. Next question is, what is the formula for the Lorentz unit? Okay. A, L is equal to E h by 4 pi mc square. B, L is equal to h by 4 pi m square. C, L is equal to eh by 4 pi square mc. D, none of these. So here A is the correct answer, that is L is equal to eh by 4 pi m square. Okay friends. Next question is question 12th. When was Stark effect demonstrated? That is answer is in 1913. Next question is question 13. When was Zeeman effect discovered? That answer is in 1896. Okay. Next question is question 14. What is the formula to calculate the Landé-G factor? So A is G is equal to 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 by 2J J plus 1. Okay, and B is G is equal to J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 by 2J into J plus 1. C is 1 minus J plus 1 plus S plus 1 minus L plus 1 by 2J J plus 1. D is none of these. So here answer A is the correct answer. This is the right formula for the Landé-G factor. Okay friends. Next question is question 15. What is the value of gyromagnetic ratio for orbital motion? Mu L by PL is equal to E by 2m. B, mu L by PL is equal to 2E by MC. C, mu L by PL is equal to E by 2MC. D, mu S by PS is equal to 2E by 2MC. So here for orbital motion, answer C is the correct answer, that is mu L by PL is equal to E by 2MC. Okay. Next question is, what is the value of gyromagnetic ratio for spin motion? So here answer D is the correct answer, that is mu S by PS is equal to 2E by 2MC. Okay friends. Next question is, the total energy of a molecule can be split as E total is equal to E kinetic plus E potential. E total is equal to E energy due to electronic configuration plus energy due to nuclear motion. C, E total is equal to energy, kinetic energy and orbital motion energy. D, none of these. So here answer B is the correct answer. The total energy of a molecule can be split as energy due to electronic configuration plus energy due to nuclear motion. Okay friends. Now next question is question 18th. Raman effect was discovered by A, Heisenberg, B, Planck, C, Bohr, and D is C.V. Raman. So it is discovered by C.V. Raman, that's why its name is Raman effect. Okay, answer D is the correct answer. Now question 19 is, some part of light beam after passing through a transparent medium gets scattered. This phenomena is known as A, Zeeman effect, B, Stark effect, C, Paschen-Beck effect, and D, Raman effect. So this is Raman effect. Answer D is the correct answer. Okay. Question 20. In Raman effect, the wavelength of scattered rays is dash that of incident rays of light. Same as incident rays of light, different from incident rays of light. C, double to incident rays of light, and D, none of these. So here B is the correct answer. The wavelength of scattered ray is different from that of incident rays of light. Okay, which is correct about Raman's effect? Question 21. So A is, it is used to study catalysis. B, monitor chemical purity in petrochemical industry. C, control of polymerization reaction. D, all of these. So it is used for all of these. Raman effect is used for all of these. So answer D is the correct answer here. Okay. Next question is question 22. Formula to calculate the rotational constant B. A, B is equal to 1 by 8 pi square IC. B is equal to I by 8 pi square C. B is equal to H by 8 pi square IC. D, none of these. So here answer C is the correct answer, that is B is equal to H upon 8 pi square IC. Now next question is question 23. In harmonic oscillator model of a diatomic molecule, the potential difference is given as V is equal to half of Kr square, V is equal to half of Kr minus Re square, C, V is equal to 2K R minus Re whole square, D, none of these. So here answer B is the correct answer, that is V is equal to half of K R minus Re whole square. Okay. Now question 24th is the lowest vibrational energy of a diatomic molecule is called as kinetic energy, B, potential energy, C, total energy, and D is 0 point energy. So here answer D is the correct answer, that is it is called as 0 point energy. Okay friends. Next question is in anharmonic oscillator. In last question we have studied harmonic oscillator. So here is in anharmonic oscillator model of a diatomic molecule, what is the value of potential difference or potential function? A, V is equal to half of K R minus Re whole square. B, V is equal to half of Kr square. C, V is equal to half of K R minus Re whole square minus F R minus Re whole cube. D, V is equal to half of K R minus Re whole cube minus K R minus Re whole square. So here answer D is the correct answer, V is equal to half of K R minus Re whole square minus R minus Re whole cube. Okay friends. Now next question is question 26. When was Raman effect discovered? So it is discovered in 1928. Okay. Question 27. The disorganization due to magnetic field is given by mu B, mu E, C minus mu E, D minus mu B. So it is given by minus mu B. D is the correct answer, where mu is magnetic moment here. Okay, mu represent magnetic moment here. Answer D is the correct answer. Now next question is the number of split levels in the magnetic field is given by, okay, A 2n, B 2n plus 1, C 2l, D 2l plus 1. So here D is the correct answer, it is given by 2l plus 1. Okay. Zeeman effect is analogous to A Stark effect, B Paschen effect, C Raman effect, and D Anamolus-Raman effect. So it is analogous to A Stark effect, because in Zeeman effect the splitting of spectral line in presence of magnetic field, and in Stark effect splitting of spectral lines in presence of electric field. So these two are analogous to each other. Okay. Question 30 is the line corresponding to Zeeman effect exhibit polarization effect also. Yes or no? Yes. ठीक है, तो ये polarization effect भी exhibit करता है. Question 31. The basic concept of dual nature of matter was given by A. Planck's quantum theory, B. Einstein theory, C. Rutherford theory, D. Paschen theory. So it is given by Planck's quantum theory. This is very basic question. Question 22. Which quantum number gives the shell to which electron belongs to? So we know it is given by principal quantum number. Okay, so principal quantum number is here n. Okay, so A is the correct answer, that is A, n. Okay, so now unit 2 of atomic, molecular and laser physics is also completed. Only unit 3 is left. Okay friends, thank you all. Please subscribe the channel friends if this video is really helpful to you, and like the video also please. Thank you.